Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G82, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So now we can see that this feature is turned off, and to link Google Assistant to power button, let's launch the settings app and scroll down to the system section. Then click here to the gestures and tap to double press power key and switch now to the launch assistant. Now by double press to the power key, we can see that the Google Assistant is turned on. If you want to turn it off again, just click here to the system section, tap to the gestures, tap double press power key and switch launch assistant to now. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.